First, confirm your Subaru key fob uses a CR2032 battery and requires manual opening. This applies to most pre-2020 models and some 2020 to 2024 vehicles like Forester, Outback, Legacy, and Impreza. You'll need a CR2032 battery, available at most retailers for $2, a small non-metallic pry tool like a plastic spudger or even a guitar pick, and optionally, gloves to keep the fob clean. Start by locating the small notch on the back of the key fob, usually near the keyring attachment. Use a non-metallic pry tool to gently separate the two halves at the notch. Be careful not to scratch the surface. The battery is held by a small clip. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation. The positive side faces up toward the buttons. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the two halves of the case back together firmly. Test the key fob to ensure it works properly. If it doesn't work, try resyncing by turning the ignition on and off a couple of times, then press the fob buttons. Remember to recycle the old battery properly at an electronics store.